and I'm also reading, watching, speaking, listening, everything. I'm just doing a lot. Even I also had taken many classes, but all are fail. And still, after taking the classes, I am not able to speak in English in now. What is the reason? So it's not mean that I didn't hard work. No, really very doing hard work. But still a lot of people seriously this is a problem. A lot of people. Do you agree with me or not? Of course you are agree with me. That's why you are watching my videos. So thing is that why people cannot speak in English so soon. So I just tell you, nothing can change in your life if you want, but if you want, of course everything can be changed easily. How to do that? How? When you just try, when you just trying to learn any things, not a pressurize by by your heartly, by your passion, you can do anything. You can speak very simply, you can speak very fluently, you can speak fastest, whatever you would. You like to continue speaking slow motions and so much faster speaking, you can do. Only you can do. No one can do for you. No one can speak for you. You will have to speak if you want to, if you want to speak actually. But it's up to you how to start. So I just say to you that I'm not saying that a lot of people didn't hard work to speak in English, but yeah, it's absolutely true, and you also should be agree with me. But those people are not speaking English because of, if you think that we can speak, but how? So don't be think how. Just try to speak. Don't be think. Don't waste the time to thinking. Just try to speak whatever you want to speak. Just try to speak in English. You want to think, you want to demand a water, you want to any kind of things. I just give you example. Suppose there is a mango which is keep on the table. That is mango. Okay. So we will start the mango. I just give you task. You just start mango chopping. Mango is easy and everyone knows about the mango quality. So you have to include the quality, you have to include the taste, you have to include your taste, what you like, you liking or not, you hate or not, why you liking to the mango, like that. So just start. There is a mango which is kept on the table. Mango is really juicy and really yellow, and I really love mango. Why? Because it is actually sweet of fruit. Second thing is actually I love mango because of I love it, I love taste, I love to see a yellow and red like that. I love mango shake as well. And if you will take it mango shake, definitely you will be love to mango shake as well. But how to? So a lot of people asking to me how to speak in English, but you actually everyone knows how to speak in English. Everyone knows if we want to speak in English, if we want to learn speak in English. So of course we will have to focus on 5 skills: reading, writing, listening, watching, speaking. Okay, so how to do it? You have platform which I provided on the WhatsApp group, which I provided on the Telegram group as well, but still you are not able to speak English. A lot of students also messaging to me, which ma'am, please could you help me how to improve the English communication, how to speak. I have vocabulary, I have grammar, I am really very good at grammar, but I am not able to speak in English. So thing is that just don't be think people, just try to speak whatever you want to speak. If you are like right now you are speaking with me, so how you are speaking in English. Don't be think that I am really very fluent rather than you, and not. Just think that you are a learner and you are trying to speak in English. In this situation that you are actually able to speak English. If you're just trying to judging yourself, definitely you cannot speak. No one can speak after judging yourself, no one. So don't be think, and of course definitely whatever you are speaking, whatever you are speaking, just trying to speak by heartly, just trying to speak by emotionally, just trying to speak very confidently, just trying to speak at the place of learner. And if you just think like that, and definitely you cannot be hesitate in front side of in front side of anyone. So for the things you will have to focus on your skills, you will have to focus on your speaking. Don't be think that you are able or not, but of course people will listen you. How will listen you? Because they know, they actually in a beginning of time when you just trying to speak in English, at that time in a beginning of time no one will appreciate you, only and only those people will appreciate you which is really give the importance to the learning process, give the importance to the learner as well, give the importance to value of the learning skills. Definitely they will actually appreciate you. Or if I talk about the family, if I talk about the socials, if I talk about the society, your friends, your relatives, no one, most of all people will tease you, will laugh on you, will pull your legs, definitely they will do. But don't be think about the people, because you are not people, actually you are a human, and that you are a human, and that's why you are trying to learn new things, because you actually you want to be a good human, you want to be a good communicator, you want to be a good speaker, you want to speak how to deal with the people in the company if you don't know speak in English. So definitely for the things you will have to speak. If you're reading a lot, if you're speaking a lot, writing a lot, watching a lot, nothing will help you. If you're just trying to speak, definitely that thing is will help you actually. Whatever you are speaking, don't judge yourself. Whatever you're speaking, don't be think that you are speaking wrong or right. Don't be think. Just try to listen the native speaker and just try to speak. Speak. Speaking by your heart, by your emotions, by your feelings, by your passion. It's not mean that you're just thinking up pressurized. Okay, so what will you do? You will do only and only, you will try to speak only. And don't we think people will judge you or not? People definitely will judge you, because people actually they want to see you as a fluent speaker, and that's why they will notice you, they will judging you. For that things, for the time you will have to see their reactions, but don't be think their reactions, because sometimes they will love you a lot, they will tease you a lot, they will taunt you a lot, but when you will be a good speaker, and definitely they will care you, they will love you a lot. So for the things, whatever you are doing, writing sections, listening sections, watching sections, whatever you are doing, just trying to do by your heart. Don't be think that right now my time is started of reading, now I just start the reading. Do it by your passions. If you will not with be passions, definitely you cannot help to yourself. Your reading is useless. You're working whatever you did a lot of tremendous work to speak in English, but all is useless. You know why? Because you didn't do anything by your heart. If you want to learn anything, so definitely you will have to focus by your heart, by your sense, by your emotions, by your passions. You have to be crazy, you have to be mad if you want to do, if you want to speak. Definitely everyone can do, but it's up to you, you want to do or not. Actually you want to prove or not, it's up to you. If you're thinking that it is a 1 day process, 2 days process, 3 days process, no. It is a not only 1 day or 2 day or 3 day process. No. It is a process of consistency. It is a process of consistency with madness, with passion, of course you can. I just shared with you a lot of things that as you know that I'm uploading my videos on daily basis. A lot of people also saying to me that Richard, you don't have right to make a video because you're really very stupid speaker. What do you think that you are really very good at English? You also don't know at least at the grammar section as well, and you thinking that your channel is growing. No, my intention is not that my channel will be grow. No, actually my intention is that I want to spread my message to the audience. That what I want. I want that I'm not a 20, so I will think about me definitely. But why I'm making video? Why just started my journey now? What is the reason behind that? Reason is nothing, but a reason is really really big touch of the soul. I want to give the messages to everyone in the world. Please just try to use the time. Before my marriage, I was really enthusiasm to learn English, to continue my educations, to be a self independent. But I didn't get opportunity, and that's why I I became homemaker. But before 15 months I had realized, no, I will think myself. Now I will not think about the peoples. So for the things, when I just started my English journey, in a beginning of time I am also not able to speak even single word in English. This is my journey which is started only before 15 months, and I'm really proud on myself. I'm not saying that I'm really very perfect in English. I'm really very good at grammar. I'm really very good at reading sections. No, but yeah, if I will think if I will think those comments, definitely I will not able to make my new videos. I will not able to share my message. I will not able to whatever I want to share with you. I want to interact with you all. I want to make a relations with my audience. I want to be friendship with my beautiful peoples like that. Why I want to friendship with you all? Just because of I want to actually want away to everyone. Please just try to go on the right track. Just try to use the time in appropriate manner. Whenever you will get the opportunity, just try to use it. Like if I talk about my period, about my time, before 2005 there is no any technology, and that's why there was no any source to learn English communications. But today there's a lot of source to improve a lot. There's a lot of students, lot of source to motivate to ourselves. And after getting the motivations, you also can think to speak in English, but still you are not trying. So in that time I was no any source how to learn how to speak. Even I hadn't any teachers as well. Teachers cannot be guide to me, just because of I had to pay the fees. At that time I didn't too much fees, so that of course I could able to pay the fees as well. And tuitions also not too much nearby my home, too much far from my home. That's why I can say that I was not able to speak in English. I was not able to do anything. But right now I have so I just use that platform. I please don't judge to me, and please, but just try to listen by heart my words only. Why I just told you that someone is messaging to me that you are speaking so stupid, which we are trying to learn speak English. That's why we are speaking. If are really very perfect in the English, so why we also trying to hardly listen to anyone, understand to anyone, speak really very hardly, speak really very drastically hardly. Why we also think about that? If we are perfect, no one is perfect, but everyone can be perfect after the learning. So for that things you have to be learn. You have to speak. You have to speak whatever you are speaking. So I hope you will understand what I want to say to you. You are please just whatever you are doing, any skills, reading, watching, listening, anything, just try to be with heart, with passions, with craziness, with madness. Just try to lost yourself while they're speaking, while they're learning. And of course, definitely, this thing is, if you will do that, of course, definitely everyone can be speak. Don't be think about the stupid people.